Candles in tins. How to make your own candles. There's something undeniably enchanting about candles. The soft, flickering glow, the gentle warmth, and the soothing scents that fill the air. Candles have the power to transform any space into a cozy, inviting haven, and when they come in charming tins, they become even more irresistible. If you've ever found yourself drawn to the allure of candles in tins, you might be surprised to learn that you can easily make candles at home. The art of candle making has been around for centuries, but in recent years, it has experienced a resurgence in popularity as more people discover the joys of crafting their own custom candles. Making your own candles in tins is not only a fun and creative hobby, but also a practical skill that allows you to create personalized gifts and unique home decor items, and even start a small business. In this blog post, we'll guide you through the process of making your own candles in tins, from gathering your supplies to adding the finishing touches. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, you'll find that making candles in tins is a rewarding and enjoyable experience that allows you to express your creativity and indulge in the simple pleasures of life. Gathering your supplies. Before you begin your candle making journey, it's essential to gather all the necessary supplies. Here's what you'll need. 1. Candle tins. Choose the right size and style of tins for your candles. You can purchase candle tins online or at craft stores, or you can repurpose empty tins from your home. Beyond that, you must consider the volume of the tins and ensure they are deep enough to accommodate the desired candle size. 2. Candle wax. Select the best wax for your candles. Soy wax is a popular choice for its eco-friendliness, clean burn, and ability to hold scent well. Paraffin wax and beeswax are other options to consider. Determine the amount of wax needed based on the volume of your tins. We recommend you multiply the volume of your tin, in ounces, by 1.5 to get the amount of wax required. 3. Wicks. Choose the appropriate wick size based on the diameter of your tins. A wick that is too small will result in a poor burn, while a wick that is too large will cause the candle to burn too quickly. Cotton and wood wicks are common options, each offering a slightly different burning experience. 4. Fragrance oils and essential oils. Decide between fragrance oils and essential oils for scenting your candles. Fragrance oils are synthetic and offer a wide range of scents, while essential oils are natural and provide therapeutic benefits. Select scents that complement each other and create the desired atmosphere for your candles. Additional items needed: a double boiler or wax melter for melting the wax safely and evenly, a thermometer to monitor the temperature of the wax during the melting process, scissors for trimming the wicks and wick holders to keep the wicks in place while the candles cool. A step-by-step guide for preparing your candle tins. Once you have all your supplies ready, it's time to prepare your candle tins. Step 1. Clean the tins. Ensure your tins are impeccably clean and dry before you begin. Any residue or moisture can interfere with the quality of your candle. Use a soft cloth and mild soap to wash the tins, then dry them thoroughly. Next, it's important to secure the wicks to the bottom of the tins. Apply a small amount of hot glue or use wick stickers to attach the wicks firmly in the center of each tin. Keeping the wicks centered will ensure an even burn. Once secured, use wick holders or chopsticks to keep the wicks upright while you pour the melted wax. Step 2. Melting and pouring the wax. Now comes the exciting part, which is definitely melting and pouring the wax to create your candles. Set up your work area to ensure proper ventilation and protect surfaces from potential wax spills. Using a double boiler or wax melter, melt the soy wax slowly and evenly. Monitor the temperature of the wax using a thermometer, aiming for a temperature between 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 to 60 degrees Celsius, for optimal scent throw and adhesion. Once the wax has melted, add your chosen fragrance oils or essential oils. A general guideline is to use 1 ounce of fragrance per pound of wax, but you can adjust this based on your preference. Stir gently to ensure even distribution. Carefully pour the melted wax into the prepared tins, leaving some space at the top for the wax to settle. Use a steady hand and pour slowly to avoid air bubbles. Allow the candles to cool for a few hours, then top off any sinkholes or uneven surfaces with additional melted wax. Step 3. Finishing touches. Once the wax has completely cooled, you can add any desired finishing touches to your candles. Trim the wicks to about 1/4 inch, 6 millimeters above the candle surface. This helps prevent smoking and ensures a clean, even burn. Clean the tins by removing any wax strips or spills, and polish them to achieve a professional look. Create custom labels for your candles, including the scent, burn time, and any safety instructions. You can also add decorative elements like ribbon, twine, or charms to make your candles even more special. Troubleshooting. Common issues. Even with careful preparation and execution, you may encounter some issues when making candles in tins. Here are a few common problems and how to address them. Sinkholes or air pockets. These can occur when the wax cools too quickly or unevenly. To fix this, use a heat gun or hairdryer to gently remelt the top layer of wax, allowing it to settle and fill in any gaps. Frosting or crystallization. This happens when the wax cools too slowly or is exposed to moisture. To prevent this, ensure your workspace is cool and dry, and avoid pouring the wax at too high a temperature. Candles that won't burn properly. This can be caused by using the wrong wick size, poor quality wax, or incorrect fragrance ratios. Double-check your supplies and ratios and experiment with different wick sizes until you find the perfect combination. Creative ideas for candles in tins. One of the best things about making your own candles in tins is the opportunity to get creative and experiment with different ideas. Here are a few suggestions to inspire you. Create seasonal and holiday-themed candles using festive scents and decorations, such as cinnamon and clove for Christmas or pumpkin spice for autumn. Design gift sets and party favors by grouping candles in complementary scents and colors, or by customizing the labels for specific occasions like weddings or birthdays. Explore unique scent combinations and color schemes to create candles that reflect your personal style and taste. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and try something new. Final thoughts. Making your own candles in tins is a wonderful way to express your creativity, indulge in a relaxing hobby, and create beautiful, functional items for your home or to give as gifts. The satisfaction of crafting a high-quality, personalized candle from start to finish is truly unmatched. As you embark on your candle-making journey, remember to have fun and embrace the learning process. Don't be discouraged if your first few attempts aren't perfect. With practice and experimentation, you'll soon be creating stunning candles in tins that rival those found in specialty shops. Who knows? Your passion for making candles in tins may even grow into a small business or a cherished hobby that brings joy to both you and those around you. So gather your supplies, unleash your creativity, and let the magic of candle making fill your life with warmth, light, and endless possibilities. Meta description. Learn how to make your own candles in tins with our step-by-step guide. Discover the joys of crafting personalized, eco-friendly soy candles at home.